Adjustable articulating friction arms or magic arms have been around for some time now, and they are really extremely useful. Finding a good quality one at the right price can be a bit of a challenge, and I think I've found one on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description below for this magic arm. With this kit, everything you need is included. First off is the articulated arm, which will stretch to approximately 11 inches if required. There are a good number of accessories with this, as you do not know what you're going to connect to your arm. The clamp looks very strong and sturdy, made from both alloy and stainless steel. All the usual GoPro style connectors are also supplied. The phone holder is both adjustable and spring loaded to hold pretty much any mobile device. Due to the tensions that you can produce on the clamp, they do provide you with some extra stick-on rubber feet. Surprisingly, the quality is extremely good for its price point. You do get plenty of spare accessories with this magic arm. As I mentioned earlier, you never know what you're going to put on one and what loads it will take. Looking at the magic arm, the adjustable ball head design on both ends do have 1/4 inch screws. In the centre of the arm you will find locking teeth. When the arm is closed and tightened, the teeth mesh together so the magic arm will not open or close or separate. Also, when tightened, each adjustable ball will tighten as well, so once everything's tightened and in position, it will not move. The clamp itself will open up to approximately 2 inches or 5 centimeters. 2 screw holes are available, 3/8 and 1/4 20. The clamp is cleverly designed. It has rubber inserts. Now you do get a couple of these spare. These are just simply peel the back off and stick on if required. The clamp will hold on securely to both flat surfaces and tubing. Just to test this, I do have a table that is approximately 2 inches or 5 centimeters. The clamp holds onto this with no issues or problem at all. My shelving here is approximately 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. The front edge is rounded, but again the clamp has no problem connecting and tightening to this. Although the clamp looks relatively small, it does have a reasonable payload. It can be between 1 kilo or 2.5 pounds. We'll test this as we go along now. First of all, we'll try a simple DJI Osmo Action. This could be the same as a GoPro. These cameras are relatively light, so I'm not expecting any issues or problems here. Okay, we'll jack the weight up a little bit here with this camcorder. This weighs in at 1.5 pounds in weight. The magic arm has no issue or problem with this at all, no slipping. Moving on now to the DSLR. Now this weighs in at just over 2.5 pounds. This camera does exceed the recommended weight of 2.2 pounds, but as you can see here, no issues or problems or slipping with this arm. I've now connected the clamp to the studio light, which is approximately 1/2 inch in diameter, holds onto it quite well, even at the full stretch of 11 inches. Outside at the bird feeding area, the tubing is 1/2 inch and the clamp holds onto that quite well, even with the very heavy 2.5 pound camera. I must admit I am surprised that it does hold this camera as good as it does. So there are very many scenarios where you could use a magic arm connected onto trees like you see here with the DJI Osmo Action, clamping onto some fencing, and even slung under some trellising. It holds on with no issues or problems. My main use for this arm would be inside the workshop, using it with my monitors, lighting and microphones. I've said it in this video already, the quality is very good and well worth considering if you're in the market for one. I hope you found this information of use to you. Thank you for watching.